Okay, in this picture, we've got a golfer standing at the tee. The picture is given, and we're looking for the distance from the tee all the way to the hole, which is my X. So again, start with the angle that's given, and let's label our triangle. This is my H, this is my O. So I want to use the O and the H, which will be the sine. So sine of 12 degrees is opposite over hypotenuse. I'm going to write that over 1, and remember the next step is to cross multiply. So on one side we have 36, on the other side we have x sine of 12 degrees. Last step is always get x by itself, so in this case we do have to divide to get rid of that sign. So this is what you're going to type into the calculator, and if you do that you get 173.2. The next one we're going to have to draw our picture. It says at a point on the ground 50 meters from the foot of a tree. So again, remember all of these pictures are going to be right triangles. So go ahead and draw your triangles. So you've got a point on the ground. This is the ground. There's a tree over here. Here's my tree. So this is 50. Angle of elevation is always looking up. So this is 48 degrees. I want to know how high the tree is. So this is what I'm looking for. So let's label our picture. This is my angle, there's my H, this is my O, this is my A, so I need to use O and A. So that's tangent. So tangent of 48 degrees is opposite X over A. Next step, cross multiply. I have X. Here I have 50, tangent 48 degrees. I do have the X by itself already. I don't have to do anything else. So I can punch this into the calculator and you should get 55.5. Okay, last one. Oops. From the top of a lighthouse 190 feet high. So the lighthouse, let's say, is this. So again, when we talk about how high something is, the altitude, that's always straight up and down. So this lighthouse is 190 feet. The angle of depression of a boat out to sea, so here's the water. Remember, angle of depression is looking down. But remember, for the angle of depression, that's this angle right here. So this is the angle that I'm giving you. Find the distance from the boat, so here's my boat, to the foot, that's the bottom of this lighthouse. So this is what I'm looking for. Now in this triangle, this 34 degrees, if you remember, is the same as this 34 degrees right there. Once you have your picture, let's label our sides. This is my H, there's my O, there's my A, but I want to use the number and the X, so I'm going to use tangent. So tangent of 34 degrees is opposite, which is 190 over X. Let's put a 1 on the bottom, let's cross multiply. So that's 190. This is X, tangent of 34 degrees. Notice X is not by itself, so I will have to divide. And type that into your calculator and type in what you get from this answer.